Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to consider this radical equation here on the board. We have to solve square root of 3m squared plus m plus 10m minus 5 equals 0. And here we are to find the value of m that will satisfy this given equation here on the board. First, I put down here solution. I bring down the question down here. We have square root of 3m squared plus 10m minus 5 equals 0. Here, the first step I will consider is to move this negative 5 down to the right hand side of the equation. And the equation becomes here the square root of 3m squared plus 10m equals 5. The next step to be considered is to square both sides of the equation so that the radical sign here can be removed. Then I will square this and square this as well. Then as for square roots, we eliminate this square, and I have here a 3m squared plus 10m equals 25, because 5 square will give you 25. Now this is quadratic. I will move down this 25 back to the right and to the left hand side of the equation, and the equation becomes 3m squared plus 10m minus 25 equals 0. Then at this point, this is quadratic. We can use any method to solve this, but I'm going to apply factorization method here, and I'm going to show you the shortcuts you can analyze this within some minutes. Now, since we have 3 here, I'm going to multiply this 3, the leading coefficient, by 25 here. I multiply this directly. That is 3 times minus 25. That will give you minus 75. Then now, what you need to do, look for 2 possible factors of 75, so that when you multiply, it will give you minus 75. Then when you add these 2 same factors, it will give you plus 10. Now, so let these factors be 15 and 5. 15 times 5, that will give you 75. But I'm going to arrange it such a way that when you multiply, give minus 75, and when to add, give you plus 10. Therefore, this will be negative and this will be plus. Now, if you multiply plus 15 times minus 5, that will give you minus 75. Then if you add plus 15 plus minus 5, that will give you plus 10. But at this point, open 2 brackets like this. This is m squared. Insert one of m here, another one here. Then introduce each of the factors into each bracket. You can decide to put plus 15 here, and you can decide to put plus minus 5 here. Then, since this is 3 here, the leading coefficient, divide each of the factors by the leading coefficient here, which is 3. Divide here by 3, and divide here by 3 as well, and set this equals 0. When as such, here we have m plus 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3, that will give you m plus 15 divided by 3, that will give you 5. Means so here 5 divided by 3 is not divisible. Then just multiply this 3 by m, that will give us 3m minus 5 equals 0. Then it is either this equals 0 or this equals 0. Therefore, I have here that m plus 5 equals 0, or 3m minus 5 equals 0. Therefore, m equals minus 5, or m equals 5 divided by 3. And these are the possible values of m that will satisfy this equation here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.